So my name is Will. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Phonely. Phonely basically lets you answer your phones with AI, but not just that, we allow you to optimize your voice agent. So we're the leading platform on the market for building, testing, deploying, and iterate voice AI agents.
So my name is Matthew Dillander. I'm with Engage CX. I'm the CTO of our company. What our company does, we specialize in the insurance and healthcare space. We match people who have questions about insurance with people who can answer them for them. Recently, we had someone where a client asked for additional calls. Had we not had Phonely and we had a fixed call center environment, that doesn't happen. Because we have Phonely, I don't even have to call Will and say, hey, I'm about to send about extra 1,000 calls through it. It just does it.
Engage CX came to us with the problem that United Healthcare, which is one of their vendors that they use, changed everything from being able to use offshore agents to US agents. Their margins went like this. And so they were looking for a solution.
We really didn't get officially started until February of last year. And we were sending 1,000 calls a day. And it's nice to see now, Will and I are laughing because we're sending over 10,000 calls a day. To break it down real simple for numbers, we just ran it here yesterday actually. So for every call that we send through Phonely that turns into a monetization event for us, costs us roughly about $1.48 in expense, all in. To put that in perspective from a call center perspective, you're looking at about $4 to $4.50 in expense. Huge, obviously, savings, a lot more flexibility. It allowed us again to upgrade and top grade our call center at the same time.
We had days like we've beat the call center by what, 5%, which is something even me when we started working on it, we didn't think it was possible. Right. So almost every business has one of two problems. Number one, they have after hours calls that are probably getting hung up on or going to voicemail. And number two, they have overflow calls. And so if you're unsure if like, oh, should I use AI or should I not? I would say, try it. And most of the times when customers do that, they come back to us and they're like, oh my goodness. They look at the numbers and they just see dollar signs like, wow, we could be saving so much money and helping our customers so much more by adopting Phonely versus letting these calls go unanswered.
I really want to take my time and say thank you to Will and his team. Thank you for believing in us. Thank you for going on this journey. It's been fantastic.